didn't turn then. Hi, I'm Leanne. Sun is shining. What a day to be alive. So, our neighbours, we have Billy, made by Bill. Then we have Crust, Catrin Arshan. And then we have Gareth the Noah down the bottom. Billy's workshop. Does Billy? This week at Hiut.
Oh, that's Seabass.
This is Seabass. So Billy, should we see if Catrin and Arshan are in? Hello. They're not home. Seeing if Johnny from Gareth the Noah is in.
Oh, yeah.
Hi, how are you?
I'm not bad. Sorry, I'm done.
Should we come back?
No, sorry. Come on in.
You sure? Wow.
Yeah, it is. Still, when I come in the mornings, it's like, oh my God.
So do you want to tell a little bit to the camera about what you do here?
Yeah, so I'm co-owner of Gathan Organic. We make certified organic and climate positive yarn, mostly for hand knitters, but also for some designers and labels and things as well. So we're just in the process of bringing all the manufacturing in-house, hence moving to a massive, great space. And yeah, so we kind of make all sorts of wool yarns. So we only use natural fibres. Everything, as I say, is certified organic, climate positive. We plant a lot of trees. So it's a big kind of focus on sustainability.
Amazing. So cool.
Do you want to see it running?
How old will this machine be?
1950s, so half of it's 1952, half of it's 1959, and it's kind of bolted together to make one working machine.
Oh my God.
So that's what comes out then.
Hello.
How's it going?
Shemai. You know what time it is? It's this week at Hiut time. So I got a big question for you, Rob. How do you have your cup of tea?
Builder's brew.
Builder's brew for Rob. Any sugar?
1 sugar.
1 sugar and milk. Strong.
Strong.
Nice. Are you hot meals or cold meals?
Toasty.
Toasty. So, big question.
Yeah.
You've done your morning routine. You're about to get in the car. Would you fight a chicken every day
Yeah.
or fight a lion once?
Fight a chicken every day, I think.
Fight a chicken every day. I feel like that's the most common answer. So I
kinda-
feel like it needs to be a real good toss-up, you
I feel if
know?
we're going to fight a lion, I'm going to lose badly. What about you, Rob?
Okay, what if it was a monkey? A monkey once a week or a lion once a year?
Ooh.
Okay, then maybe that's better.
Swaying me towards the lion.
What is your favourite tool to use at work?
Ooh. It's got to be my electric scissors.
Nice.
Make life much easier.
Yeah.
Yeah, obvious choice.
What is your morning routine?
Do you want my Iron Man routine or my non-Iron Man routine?
Iron Man routine.
So depending on what day it is and what training I got to do, it's alarm goes off at 5 o'clock. I'm
Yeah.
either in the pool then by 5:45, 6 o'clock. Hour in the pool, straight to work. 10-hour day here, straight home, next training session, food, gwelly. Wake up, do it all again.
We can find out next week on how you've done.
See if I survived.
Okay, we've got a question in from last week.
Yes.
Why do they stitch a line onto a scrap of material after they have finished stitching?
Right. Okay. So basically, if you turn that around, you'd have this thread here, which we call it a bird's nest. When there's all the mess from the bobbin, so you put the scrap of material in, And then you'll start to put in the zip in, so the back of the zip is clean and it hasn't got that bit underneath. So we always put, I mean, it looks like that the amount of times we do it.
Oh, I quite like it.
So here I will show you when we sew it without the strap, and if we sew it with the strap, you can see that you've got the messy bit, oh no, not the messy bit against a clean finish to where all your thread ends comes in. And then, yes, if you can see here, we call that a bird's nest. So it's not as clean as if when you put the piece of scrap in first.
Is there a process, your favourite process?
Basically, when we come up to zips, the garment's still in 4 pieces. So then when I attach the 2 front panels together, and then you get the back panels put together, and then they come to form, you think, right, we're halfway there now. So I suppose that's the best feeling.
What are the pegs for around the factory?
Right.
Yeah, there's a lot of pegs around.
Right, if you see pegs on the back wall, it's to show who's working on that bundle.
Ooh, okay.
And then if you see a peg on the bundles, now if you go onto line 1, they colour code their pegs for ladies and men. So if there's a pink peg, it's a lady's garment, because obviously you've got a zip in it.
So what have we got here, Ellie?
Right, this is the short run, this is the hemp short run, so we're prepping this now at the moment. So hopefully it'll be coming offline next week. So yeah, this is, as you can see, the buttonholes have been done, all the pressing has been done, so it's ready now for Jill to tack the pockets down and then be loaded onto the line.
Put onto the line, over to customer service, shipped.
Yes, yes.
Ready to go
Hopefully
on
by
the
the end
legs.
of next week, yes.
Exciting. Then what have you got next?
After this then, we've got the sample to do of the new tech. So
Exciting.
that will be first thing Monday morning. Now we're going to get that through the line.
Incredible. Jean, great.
Hello.
To your fans, your many fans that have worn your jeans, what's your favourite machine to use?
Oh. Triple needle.
Triple needle.
This is fast.
Fast. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Aw.
If it's happy, then it's running good.
Yeah. And have your socks started coming out this year yet?
Not yet.
Jean's a big fan of socks and wears great pairs of socks every single day. Christmas socks. In the what lead up? Is it 21 days till Christmas?
I start in November.
Oh, starting
Beginning of
November. Beginning of November.
So I can wear them all once.
Yeah.
That's my secret out now.
Tea or coffee?
Oh, coffee.
Coffee?
Definitely.
No sugar, black coffee.
Coffee.
Yeah, strong. Like the machine's fast and the coffee's strong.
Yeah.
Oh, Emma! Hi, Emma. Hiya. Oh, this one's come from Tom. Would you rather have a hamster-sized dog or a dog-sized hamster?
Hamster-sized dog.
Can keep it in your handbag. Oh, that'd be nice. How many pair of Hiuts do you have?
I'm going through them. I've got an Era, I've got an Edith, I've got an Old Stelsby, I've got Coders, I've got Girlfriend, I've got a British Salvage. I don't know what fit that is. I reckon 7.
7.
Favourite day of the week is probably, it's a tie between Monday and Saturday.
Ooh.
Monday's a really good work day, it's productive.
Amazing.
And Saturday's like, obviously, it's a family day. And what was I supposed to say, Justin?
Not Monday.